Hello children, today we are going to start new topic of climate chapter, the onset of the monsoon and withdrawal. Withdrawal of monsoons. Okay, children, today we are going to discuss the onset of the monsoon and the withdrawal of the monsoons. Children, the monsoons. What are monsoons? Complete reversal of the wind direction during the year is known as monsoons. Okay, children. The monsoons, unlike the trades, are not steady winds but are pulsating in nature. Means monsoons, they are not like trade winds, as trade winds keep on moving in a particular direction for throughout the year, but the monsoons are not like trades. They keep on changing their direction. Okay, which are affected by different atmospheric conditions. In India, the duration of monsoon is 100 to 120 days. Okay, children, this is the duration of monsoons in India, 100 to 120 days. That is from early June to mid September. Okay, children, this is the duration of monsoon, 100 to 120 days, early June to mid September. Now, when the monsoon reaches India, or at the time of their arrival, the normal rainfall increases suddenly and continues constantly for several days. This is known as the burst of monsoon. Burst of monsoon. Burst of monsoon means when the monsoons arrive in India, there is normal rainfall, there are short spells of rains, but suddenly this amount of rainfall increases and continues constantly for several days. This is known as burst of monsoons. Okay, children, and it can be observed or it can be distinguished from the pre-monsoon showers. Now, children, the monsoons arrives at the southern tip of the Indian peninsula generally by the first week of June. Here, children, the monsoons arrives here by the first week of June. Clear? In the southern tip of the Indian peninsula, and this is at approximately 1st of June, or in the first week of June. Here these monsoons arrives by 1st of June. Okay, children, then they are divided into two branches. This is the Bay of Bengal branch, Bay of Bengal branch of monsoon, and this is Arabian Sea branch of monsoon. Okay, children, so this, after reaching here, these are divided into two branches, the Arabian Sea branch and the Bay of Bengal branch of monsoons. Okay, children. Subsequently, it proceeds into the Arabian Sea branch and the Bay of Bengal branch. The Arabian Sea branch reaches Mumbai by 10th of June here in this part of the country, that is Mumbai. Here the Arabian Sea branch of monsoon reaches by 10th of June. This 10th of June. Okay. The Bay of Bengal branch also reaches in Assam by the first week of June. Here it is, Assam. The Bay of Bengal branch reaches Assam by the first week of June. Progressive. The lofty mountains, the mountains which lies here in the northeastern part, these mountains, they deflect the mountains winds towards the west over the Ganga plain. Here, these mountains from here, these monsoon winds, they are deflected towards the Ganga plain. By mid-June, the Arabian Sea branch of monsoon arrives over Saurashtra, Kutch and the central part of the country. Saurashtra, here, Kutch and the central part of the country. Here, these monsoon winds, they reach by mid-June. The Arabian Sea branch and the Bay of Bengal branches of monsoon merge over the northwestern part of the Ganga plain. Here, this is the place where these two branches merges. The Bay of Bengal branch and the Arabian Sea branch of monsoon merges in the northwestern part of the Ganga plain by the end of Delhi. Here, this is Delhi. This region receives rainfall, monsoon showers from the Bay of Bengal branch by the end of June. Okay, children, Delhi receives rainfall by the end of June from the Bay of Bengal branch of monsoon. Okay, after this, the monsoons keep on moving. By the first week of July, western UP, this region, western UP, Punjab, Haryana, eastern Rajasthan, experience the monsoons. Okay, children, means these are the areas which also receives rainfall by the first week of July. Rajasthan, East Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, western UP, these are the areas where these monsoons give rains in the month of July. Okay, children, now another phenomena is associated with the monsoon. So, children, let us have a brief look of the advancing monsoons, of the onset of the monsoons. Their duration is 120 days from early June to mid-September. They are divided into two branches, the Arabian Sea branch and the Bay of Bengal branch. Both these branches move continuously in different directions and they cause rainfall in different parts of the country. Now, withdrawal of monsoons. Okay, children, withdrawal means when the monsoons go back. This is the time when the monsoons starts withdrawing from the country. Withdrawal of the monsoon is more gradual process. Withdrawal of the monsoons begins in the northwestern states of India by early September. Northwestern part of the country. Clear, children? Northwestern part of the country, from here, the monsoons keep on withdrawing. By mid-October, it withdraws completely from the northern half of the peninsula. From this part, they are completely withdrawn by the month of November. By early December, the monsoons has withdrawal from the rest of the country. The withdrawal take place from north to south, from the first week of December to the first week of January. Okay, children. So this is all about the onset of the monsoon and the withdrawal of monsoons. In the next class, we will discuss seasons. Okay, thank you.